All right, wheel number 2 on this Jaguar F-Pace. The damages from here to here, and this is deeper. So I'm going to use the grinder with the red conditioning disc first while I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe check out the links in the description below for the tools and products I use. I will get going on this one. So from here to here I can sand. That's not as deep. From here to here I'll use the grinder. All right, now I'm going to sand this out again with the 320. I'm going to switch to a fresh pad here. I don't know if you can see it, but the primer on this wheel is pretty thick. So we're going to spend a little extra time sanding this to make sure we get that smoothed out nicely. This should be good. Let me scuff it and clean it real quick and make sure there's no high spots in the primer. That looks good. It's ready for paint. All right, and I'm going to cover it with clear coat.